Evet, Mr. Gursel. Hello, how are you?
Did you start taking
Yes, of course. I am all time starting. What is this? What are we doing now? What is? Wow. This is Ebru by textile, by silk. Could you give us some little idea about this?
Okay, Ebru is a traditional Turkish art coming from Ottoman Empire, and here each product is unique.
Yes.
Ebru is a fascinating art. First, you should know this because each one is unique and cannot be repeated. So, different products. We have foulards, shawls, scarves, and some clothes. For example, this is a poncho.
Pancho.
This is you see kimono
Kimono.
and fans and bags.
I wanna see this pancho. Lovely pancho. Silk one. This is cotton one.
Cotton, yeah.
This is cotton. But what about those are?
These are shawls.
Short, but the silk.
Silk, of
Silk.
course.
100% handmade.
Satin silk.
Satin.
And
Yes.
2 meters long. It is quite big. You can use for every day usage.
How many days do we need to make the process? You told me that the process takes a lot of time. How many days?
Of course, a lot of times. I mean,
First-
3 times we wash it and we iron again for 3 times. So it takes quite a lot of time. But in the end, the product is fascinating. You should know this. And also the other pictures, this kind of
This Tura,
paper.
the Sultan signature. It's on the paper. This Ebru. You are Ebru artist. Let's say that Ebru artist, Ebru maker, and English teacher.
Yeah,
English teacher
more than
also.
25 years we have been dealing with this art,
Güzel.
so it takes time. But really, if you start learning this art, you will love it, certainly. And we also use different things. We say American service.
For the tables. Yes.
For the tables, we put this one two-sided. And Ebru can be used in different products and also paper ones.
Mr. Gursel last year give me those. Let's open them. I showed them. Please open them. And one of my artists designing in Russia, in Moscow, did for me. 1 year I wait. This is real silk. And look at the tulips, look at the hearts, look at the silk. It's very big work. Mr. Gursel told me that Nurdogan, you should. Could you open this, abi? Could you open, show? Yes, and this is, by the way, he is looking for some designer. Just turn, abi. He's looking for designer, and there is a one top also there. He's looking for designer. If you are real designer, fashion designer, if you are interested to make something about this kind of stuff, please come to Turkey. Please write us. This is top, and then with the skirt, and then those are all by Ebru, modern style. This is, do not forget, one of our designer make from Russia. Evet abi, last words. Do you invite?
All of them are pure silk.
Pure silk. And made by you.
Yes.
By you, because I give the guarantee. I last year I took 1 year I made.
The most important thing is all of them is unique and handmade.
Handmade.
cannot be repeated. That's very important. And each time you create some new things. So, and you can use in a meeting, for example, you will be the unique person.
Of course, from the Istanbul.
Yeah, Istanbul.
Now we have, he has a lot of workshops about textile, silk, stuff that what you can do, you can write us one email, we can give you all the detail. Just keep in touch. Thank you very much, Mr. Teacher.
Welcome.